on, everybody? It's Tyro Investing here with another video. Today I'm going to be going over a crypto token I'm really liking. It's called PAAL, PAAL token, PAAL AI. The AI narrative really ran a lot of stocks in 2023, NVIDIA, AMD, microchips, Microsoft, anything that was, really into AI. The market really grabbed onto that and ran those stocks. So I'm trying to find those AI-related crypto tokens that I think could run hard this year. I think crypto is going to have a big year. The Bitcoin ETF just got approved today. So I think the sky's the limit here for 2024. So I'm going to try to find these low cap tokens and see what we can do. See how far they can run. So with that being said, let's dive into it a little bit. So again, it's PAAL, PAL as I've been calling it, PAL AI. Currently trading around 15 cents. Market cap is just a little below 100 million, fully diluted, 150 million. Where you can buy it through Uniswap. You can buy almost anything through Uniswap, but in terms, because it's decentralized. But in terms of centralized, you can buy it on Bitmark, CoinExGate, HTX. So it's not really on any huge like Binance or Coinbase yet, but could be in the future, and that's usually what can propel a lot of tokens to token listings like that. So let's get into a little more staking. I personally am staking this many tokens of PAL. I locked it up for 56 days. Have about 53 days remaining on it. You get ETH with it being staked, and you get more PAL tokens with it being staked. And currently I'm making about 101.5 tokens per day. At the current price, that's about $15 a day. If I think it goes higher, that'll be even higher. And like I said, I got this in early because I think 2024 is going to be a big run. I don't mind holding this for 2 months because this will even be before the Bitcoin halving. So I think this has a lot more room to run. So I had no problem staking it, and I'm going to be making more tokens in the meantime. So and then kind of just wanted to go to the website a little bit. This is what the website looks like a little bit, and kind of just go over what it is. It's kind of like a crypto ChatGPT type thing. It's AI, it's machine learning. You can integrate these with a lot of different platforms, which is really good because then they partner, they collaborate with a lot of different tokens and projects within crypto, just kind of making their ecosystem kind of bigger, which is good for the token. Kind of the things it does. My PAL, it's crypto focused AI. You can integrate it into like Telegram, Discord to do all sorts of certain things. Real time data fetching, content upload. You can customize it. Like I said, multi platform. Telegram, Discord, which that's what a lot of people use nowadays. It's a Discord, Telegram's their first chat, but there's a lot of information in those. And with something like this, you can get that information 10 times faster. And that's just my PAL. They get even stronger. With AutoPal, you integrate these to fit exactly how you want them to use. And then AutoPal is coming later, specifically for crypto, a token scanner, like things like this. If you can get some of these token scanners that are perfect, you can find tokens quicker than anybody else, and you'll get in earlier than anybody else. So stuff like that, revenue sharing, all sorts of good stuff. Lightning fast trading, this thing could be really good. And like I said, it's the AI narrative. It's hot. It actually makes sense here. One other thing I wanted to look at was, where are you? The partners. I touched on it earlier. CoinGecko is a partner. Gecko Terminal. The big one here, Google Cloud. Now, we all know Google. We use it every day, right? They actually made an article on this. Google steps in, PAAL AI receives Google for Startups Cloud Program support. So essentially, Google Cloud specifically has a startup program where they give money to companies to build their company, and this was one of them. Google for CloudUps has bestowed upon PAAL AI the gift of cloud credits, top-notch Google Cloud training, 24/7 business and technical support, access to Google-wide offers. This isn't just a financial boost, but it's a powerful endorsement from one of the world's leading tech pioneers. So not only do they have access to stuff Google has, they're getting funding from Google, and they have the backing from one of the biggest companies in the entire world. So, when you start to hear stuff like that, it perks your ear up a little bit, right? Like Google isn't just handing this stuff out to anybody. And they get money to build too. So lastly, I just kind of wanted to show you their Twitter page and what I mean by, integrating with different projects. This is just today. We're excited to collaborate with such a dynamic team and offer them a custom PAALbot integration. Like, that's just one network. Here we are again, Orbit AI, thrilled to, integrate with them as well. Like, they are just integrating and working and collaborating with all these different crypto tokens, and they're just building their ecosystem. That bot is working for these different companies, and it's machine learning. This AI, it's only going to get better and better, and these partnerships are only going to get better. Obviously, Google thinks they have something here, so and obviously these other companies aren't just doing it to be nice. They want to work with this. So, and you continuously see this. If I were to scroll through their whole Twitter timeline, this is all you would see. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you'd love to see that. And then finally, I just wanted to go over the chart. Basically been a massive run ever since it started. Started out at basically a tenth of a cent, and in a matter of, when was that? That was in July. And right now it's trading at just under 15 cents. But if you notice, I mean, it's had a few consolidation periods. I mean, it went from 4 cents to 1.5 cents. But that was really its only biggest correction. And that's a pretty normal correction sometimes in crypto. Some of these low caps, that represented a 20,000% gain. But I get it. You got to be early in some of these. But I still think this is early. This is only $150 million market cap. It fits the narrative I'm looking for, and they're growing, and they have Google's backing. So I just really believe in this token. And I just wanted to show you, even from here, just to get to $1, it's almost a 600% gain. And, if it gets to $1, that's still only $1 billion market cap. And I mean, in crypto terms, that's not that much, especially when you're going through a bull run phase, which I believe we are in. So I think everything I just went over, the narrative, Google, the multiple collaborations, the chart, I mean, everything looks really good for this. I mean, so like I said, I had no problem staking it and holding this for 2 months because I think we're going a lot higher. I'll gather a few more tokens in the meantime and be a happy camper, I think. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. But I think these are the type of calculated risks you sometimes need to take in crypto, especially when it looks like we're heading into a bull run. So that's my gist on PAAL AI. If you gather any good information from this, I appreciate a like on the video. Also, hit a subscription, please. I would really appreciate that for the channel. Lets me know you like the video and my other stuff, and keeps me making this stuff. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it. Also, follow me at Twitter at Tyro_investing. I do daily posts about my stocks, my crypto, personal finance, sports, all sorts of good stuff on there. So yeah, I'd appreciate a follow on theirs too. And with that being said, I appreciate you for listening and watching, and we'll see you next time.